Today we will discuss about open hearth furnace or open hearth process. This open hearth furnace is used for making steel from scrap iron or from iron ore. It operates on preheated fuel gas and air, and limestone is used as a flux for removing impurities from the steel. Now we discuss about parts of the open hearth furnace. We have a combustion chamber in which our iron ore will be melted. These are the charging doors from which iron scrap or limestone will be charged into the combustion chamber. These are refractory linings for resisting heat transfer. This is regenerative chamber. Why these are called regenerative chamber? Because they heat fuel and air preheat by the flue gases. These are the brick chamber or brick checker which store the flue gases energy for the further use. These are connected with the help of pipes. This is air pipe. It will supply air to this pipe, and this is fuel gas pipe which will supply gas to this pipe, and in between these two, this is the pipe for removing flue gases to the stack or chimney. Now we see the working of open hearth furnace. This is the iron scrap or iron ore with limestone. Then flue gases will travel through this pipe and air will travel through this pipe, and they will produce combustion effect in the chamber, and this chamber will convert this iron ore into molten steel with a layer of slag. These flue gases will go to these brick checker and store heat in this brick checker, and this process will going on. After 9 to 10 minutes, this process will be reverse from right to left, and then these will work as a brick checker and store energy. So this is the process of open hearth furnace for converting iron scrap or iron ore into good quality steel. Thank you for seeing this video. For more updated videos, you can subscribe me on my channel Learn and Grow. Thank you.